What is up, everybody? Take a look at this. Today, we are building this incredibly sleek, high-end wealth tracker app called NovaVest, completely from scratch using Jetpack Compose and Material 3. In the first 30 seconds, let me give you a quick tour. Look at this jaw-dropping Vault dashboard. We've got a premium Glassmorphic net worth card, a stunning custom canvas donut chart that handles asset allocations, and beautiful animated list items for recent activities. Now, watch this. Tapping Analytics smoothly glides us to the next screen using modern type-safe navigation. Boom! Check out that glowing Bezier Line Chart, completely drawn using custom canvas logic with pixel-perfect precision. It feels incredibly smooth, right? Alright, now let's dive into the details of what we are actually building here. This entire setup is built on top of a rock-solid MVVM architecture with a clean, unidirectional data flow. Every single composable is 100% stateless and reactive, hoisting states up to our stateflow wrappers. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to structure your design system using custom colors like Deep Obsidian, Emerald Green, and Muted Gold to achieve this ultra-luxury dark theme. Keep in mind, this tutorial is deeply focused on mastering the UI and advanced canvas rendering. This means you can easily swap or hook up your own backend architecture later, and yes, there are a few interactive edge cases left open for you to practice and complete on your own. Right after this intro, we are going to open up the entire project directory tree. We will look into every single class, from our type-safe navigation routes to the complex canvas drawing loops, so you can literally follow along and type the code out word for word. But hey, if you are feeling a bit lazy to type everything out, or if you just want to grab the production-ready source code right now, make sure to hit that join button and check out our channel membership tiers. Over in the membership zone, you'll get instant access to the complete source files, plus an exclusive masterclass on how to generate this exact app UI from scratch inside Android Studio using the power of Cursor AI agents. It's an absolute game changer for your workflow. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel so you never miss a build, and let's jump straight into the code. All right, welcome back. Now, let's get our hands dirty. Right here in Android Studio, I've got the entire project loaded up, and we are about to dive straight into the source code. Once we start, feel free to pause the video, follow along, and type these components out step by step. Keep in mind, this is a pure UI and design system tutorial, meaning you can customize the backend however you like. I've even left a few interactive pieces incomplete so you can practice and level up your skills. Now, if you want to skip the tedious typing or just grab the complete production-ready source code right now, hit that join button and become a channel member. You'll also get an exclusive masterclass on how to build this entire app using Cursor AI. Drop a like, subscribe, and let's start looking at the code. Take a look at this beautiful project structure. Before we click open a single file, let's do a quick, high-level flyover of how a professional, production-ready Jetpack Compose app is organized. This is clean architecture at its absolute finest under our main package. First up, we have the data package. Look inside Data Model. This is where our data representations live. We have Analytics UI State and Dashboard UI State, which completely manage what the UI displays. We also have our transaction model and a mock data file to feed our UI. This keeps our data layer completely decoupled from our visuals. Moving down, look at design_system. This package houses color KT, theme KT, and type KT. This is the heart of our visual identity, where we define that premium, ultra-luxury dark palette and custom typography. Then we have navigation, containing Destinations KT. This is where we implement the modern, type-safe navigation structure we talked about. No hard-coded strings here. Now, let's look at the UI package. It is beautifully modularized by feature. We have Analytics and Dashboard folders. Notice how each feature contains its own screen and view model? That is strict MVVM in action. Right next to them is the Components folder. This is where our reusable UI elements live, including our custom canvas charts like Allocation Donut Chart KT and Wealth Line Chart KT. Finally, everything is wired together at the root with Main Activity and NovaVest App KT. No clutter, no spaghetti code, just pure, scalable, architectural bliss. You don't need to worry about the inner code just yet. Now that you see the big picture, let's start opening these files up one by one and tear down the code.